Before loading component tape into the Juki feeder finger, cut the tape through the center of the sprocket hole and the component pocket at a 45-degree angle. This creates space for the plow blade to enter and separate the cover tape. To load cut tape strips with the finger closed and latched, feed the tape through the rear of the finger until it reaches the tip of the plow blade. Use the tape push tool to advance the tape to the pick window and onto the sprocket gear for 2 clicks. When loading embossed tape, cut the tape in the same manner. Open the finger and place the tape on the feeder surface, then close and latch the finger. Use tweezers to lift the cover tape slightly, insert the blade, and advance the tape with the provided tape push tool until it engages the sprocket for 2 clicks. To load full reels, load the tape through the natural path of the feeder. Open the finger and push the tape over the tape guide. Close and latch the finger and pull the tape back behind the plow blade. Use the tape push tool to advance the tape to the sprocket. Push the tape onto the sprocket 2 clicks. The feeder finger reduces feeder setup time by 80% by removing the cover tape routing and collection process, and no components are lost when loading and feeding cut tape.